guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is a brand new ad and we have some deals going on. We also have a 10 off 25 all oral care CRT that I'll be giving you an example on how to use in this video. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section and I'll get to it. Make sure you check my description box for a link to a Google Doc of all the deals I shared in this video. And let's go find some deals. Colgate mouthwash is on sale for $4.99 and they are part of buy two get $4 back. Pick up two for a total of $9.98. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $5.98, get 4 back, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each. Crest Brilliance toothpaste is on sale for $8.99, no extra care box back, and we have a $3 digital coupon that will make it $5.99. Get these two oral care deals cheaper using the 10 off 25 all oral care CRT. Pick up two Colgate mouthwash on sale for $4.99 and two Crest Brilliance toothpaste on sale for $8.99 each. The 4 items will total $27.96. Use a 4 off 2 Colgate digital coupon and two $3 off Crest coupon, one from CVS app and one from Coupon 24 app. And the 10 off 25 oral care CRT. The 3 coupons and the CRT will take off $20 and you pay $7.96, get 4 back, making them $3.96 or 99 cents each. A&D Phase 8 ointment is part of buy one get 5 back and is priced at $6.99. Pick up one, pay $6.99 and get 5 back, making it just $1.99. Another option for this deal is to pick up one stain kill priced at $7.79. Pay the $7.79 and you get 5 back, making it $2.79. Select Kellogg cereals are on sale for $1.99, so if you need one, pick up one and pay $1.99. Nature Valley granola bars are also on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back. Pick up one, pay $1.99, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making it just $1.49. My next deal is on the 16 ounces Planters peanuts. They are on sale for buy one get one free, no extra care box back, and they are priced at $5.49. Pick up two, pay the $5.49, and that will make it just $2.75. My next deal is on Oreo cookies. They are on sale for 2 for $9 and they are part of buy two get $2 back. Pick up two, pay $9 and get 2 back, making them $7 or $3.50 each. Gillette and Venus disposable razors are on sale for $6.99 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up one Gillette disposable razor and one Venus disposable razor. The 2 items will total $13.98. Use two $3 off digital coupon, one for the Gillette and one for the Venus. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you will pay $7.98, get 4 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. The 30.6 ounce Dove body wash pumps are on sale for $10.99 and they are part of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $21.98. Use a 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $16.98, get 4 back, making them $12.98 or $6.49 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 6 back on any Nivea body wash and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99 each. The 2 will total $11.98, pay the $11.98 and you get 6 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. My second option is to pick up 2 Nivea women body wash priced at $6.99 each. These 2 will total $13.98, pay the $13.98 and you get 6 back, and that will make them $7.98 or $3.99 each. Soft soap body wash and the 50 ounce hand soap refill are on the deal of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 2 body wash priced at $6.59 each. The 2 will total $13.18. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $9.18, get 4 back, making them $5.18 or $2.59 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 4 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics. Pick up one CoverGirl twin brow pencils priced at $6.29 each and one CoverGirl liquid eyeliner priced at $8.79. These 2 will total $15.08. Use a $4 off CoverGirl extra care coupon and you pay $11.08, get 4 back, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4 back, limit of 1, and this $4 from Ibotta is only attaching to the liquid eyeliner, it's not attaching to the brow pencil. After the $4 extra care box and the Ibotta rebate, These two will end up costing $3.08 or $1.54 each. Garnier Fruity shampoos and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 leave-in conditioners. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6, get 3 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. Garnier whole blends are on sale for $4.79 each, and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.56. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.56, get 3 back, making them $3.56 or $1.78 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, priced at $6.29 each. The 2 will total $12.58. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $9.58, get 5 back, making them $4.58 or $2.29 each. The 20-ounce palm olive dish soap are on sale for $2.99, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $5.98. Use a 75 cents off digital coupon and you pay $5.23, get 2 back, making it $3.23 or $1.62 each. The 128-ounce or the 150-ounce Purex liquid detergents are on sale for $9.99, and when you buy 1, you get $3 back. Pick up 1, pay $9.99 and you get 3 back, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back, making it $4.50. If you like the Arm & Hammer detergent, the 27.5 to 28 ounce are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 and their price are $6.99. Pay $6.99 and that will make each one just $3.50. My next deal is spend $30 get $10 back. This deal is a limit of 1 per account per week, and I have 3 options for you, so pick whichever one that works for you. For my first option, pick up 2 Tide detergents on sale for $14.99 each. These 2 will total $29.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use 2 $3 off Tide coupon, one from Coupon 24 app and one from CVS app. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $23.98, get 10 back, making them $13.98 or $6.99 each. Second option I have is to pick up 1 Gain fabric softener on sale for $5.49. 2 Tide Pods on sale for $5.49 each, and 1 big Tide Pod on sale for $13.49. These 4 items will total $29.96, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use a $3 off Tide coupon from Coupon 24 app, 2 $1 off Tide coupon, 1 from Coupon 24 app, and the second one from CVS app. And the last coupon you need for this deal is a $1 off Gain coupon from Coupon 24 app. The 4 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $23.96, get 10 back, making them $13.96 or $3.49 each. Last option I have for the spend 30 deal is to pick up 2 bagged Huggies diapers on sale for 2 for $22 and 1 Poise pad on sale for $7.99. These 3 items will total $29.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 30. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Huggies and a $2.50 off Poise digital coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $5.50 and you pay $24.49, get 10 back, making them $14.49 or $4.83 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support. I truly appreciate you all, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.